Hello everyone, welcome back to Blessed Family Kitchen. Yes, so if it's your first time you come across my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and thumbs up the notification bell. So guys, I want to show you guys how I make my homemade medicine, that is cough medicine. So this is what I will use for my homemade cough medicine. It's very nice, very good. So I prefer it more than medicine we buy in a supermarket in a apotheke here. So I prefer this one more than, because whenever my children has cough, so I don't need to bother myself to go to doctor to for doctor to write me medicine for cough. So I just go to supermarket and pick ginger, garlic, honey, and then bonbon. And I have, this is the bonbon, is that you know. So I have my own mortar here to pound it. So I hope you help you all. So it's very good as a family mother. You have to make this for your children. Just make it, put it in your fridge. Whenever maybe your children has cough, even you, your husband, anyone in your family that has cough, just warm it and give it to them. So that is it. It's very helpful. So I'm still pounding it. So this is ginger and then 3 seed of bonbon sweet and garlic. So this is what I have here. I'm still pounding it. Very easy. So this is how it looks. So guys, let's see. So that is my own remedy. So just try it, make it the way I make it, so, and put it in the fridge. So I would like to microwave it. One minute. Very nice, very nice, super. So just take time, mothers, just take time, make yours and keep it in the fridge. Whenever you want to give to your children or yourself, whenever you want to make use of it, just put it in the microwave it, and that's all. And take it one spoon. I want to give my daughter this. Oh yeah. So guys, just try it, try to get it, keep it in your fridge. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Blessed Family Kitchen. One love keep us together, and share it to your friends that don't have any idea of it. Try and share it to them also, it will help them. So thank you. Cheers.